Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Bluey Talking Bluey. Try me, press my belly.
Bluey!
I talk to you. 3 plushies from Moose to his back. 9 phrases for real life. Sing the Bluey theme song with Bluey. Let's open it up.
Find a woman who wants the same thing as you do. I'm sorry.
Saturday, February 10th.
One thing I love the most about Jane, the romance.
Every love story.
Jane has me to talk to you. It's a butt dial. Oh, somebody's butt? Goodbye, but you know.
I don't think I have any place to be. Come on, hotshot. Go it. Dead and still cranky. Okay. You know, boy, I remember when I'm passing back. Were literally kicks in the ass. Just because you were kind of a knucklehead. Which became a big success. You're welcome. Oh, that's right, Devin. I am quite out of here. Next. You said it was a long list. You were distant. Holy crap, my sound over. Did I wear black socks and shorts too? At my wedding. This weren't that involved in my life, Dad. Let me try. I work in Mount Franklin. Drop down the ball. But I made time for my kids. I am getting the distinct feeling that you were trying to say you're a better dad than me. That's because I'm saying it. What? What? I said I was a better dad than mine too. Oh, you little bastard. You think I'm a miserable bastard. Now people think you're a miserable bastard. That's being a dad. Then you want to be a kid. But when Chris is upset at you, when she asks you, she knows her. That's being a dad. Hey, we're getting some real issues. Tell my kids I love them all the time. I don't think I ever remember you saying that. I feel the need to say something to you right now. Really?
Here's Bluey out of the box. Let's see what he says.
I got an idea.
He says, I got an idea.
For real life.
Is there a
Let's
bowling
do
alley?
this.
Should be-
So there's no instructions on the box. So there's no instructions in the box.